one, we're going to be seeing how you do on slime. So, yes, let's get started. Okay, first can I please have your name?
Bob.
I'm just going to call you Bobby, so be a good Bobby. Okay, you better be good because you'll get marks, okay? And I'll put stars up here, and every star you get will cross out marks if you get marks. So, first, bring out your slime notebook and pencil. We bring all the supplies from here in slime school, but we need you to bring your backpack, of course. Okay, so I need you to open your book to page 1. Okay, so I need you to write numbers 1 through 5. Okay, so I need you to tell me all of the slime ingredients you will need and write them down in your notebook. Okay, what's one of the slime ingredients you need?
Bowl.
Correct. What's the second thing you need?
Glue.
Yes. Next thing you need?
Activator.
Which is called
Starch.
Stay Flow.
Stay flow.
Okay, I will give you that. What else do you need?
Food coloring.
Correct. And what else do you need?
Something to mix it with.
And what do we use in class?
A fork.
Correct. Okay. Like I said, my name is Miss Fishy, so if you need anything, just call me. Okay, so with the list you've just written down, I need you to grab one by one in order from up there. Okay, put your slime book and your pencil away underneath your desk. Nice. Okay, I will grade your slime. You gotta make it. I will be adding stuff up here, and by watching you, I will give you strikes or stars, okay?
Okay.
Make your slime. I like the amount of glue you poured in. Make sure not to add too much stuff though. You can always go back if you need to, but you only get to go back once. You can choose a color of your choice. Oh yes. And if you are really good, we can have the bonus slime. We get to add something into slime.
I need to add more.
Okay, then go ahead and add more Stay Flow. But add the amount you think will be right. Because after this, you don't get to get any more activator. This is what's happening at slime school. Focus on your slime, Bobby. You cannot waste any time in slime school. You can go in with your hands if you want to. Bobby, do not make that face. That is a mark. This is slime school. We are not disgusted by touching slime. I am very disappointed in you. Bobby, why did you break the fork? Oh my goodness, Bobby. I'm giving you another mark. Finally, Bobby. You're getting the hang of it. Bobby, we do not make that kind of faces in class.
I think I'm doing good. I'm making some slime.
That has been taking you one entire century, Bobby. Now hurry up or you will flunk the
I
slime.
don't want to funk slime school, so hang on. It's making fart sounds now.
We do not use that kind of language in class, Bobby. We are in school. Are you done with your slime?
Almost. You ready?
Yes.
Where's the trash?
In slime school, we do not put slime in the trash. That is another mark.
It wasn't slime. It was the broken fork. Here's my slime. Yeah, like a booger.
We do not use that kind of language in class, Bobby. Let me test this slime. Well, it's a little overactivated. Let's see if it can make any bubbles like a usual slime would. Well, it makes horrible bubbles, but...
That's a big, huge bubble. What are you talking about?
No, it's not. Let's see about can it crackle. Okay, the slime is exceptional, except slime stretches. I'm giving the slime a D-.
I'm going to tell the principal on you because you're not being a good slime teacher. You're being mean to me for no reason. I made good slime.
Next slime we're going to make is fluffy slime. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm giving you a star because I like the amount of glue you put in.
And a little poo-poo caca in there. Look at that. Fluffy, sticky, and stretchy.
Bobby!
It's not coming off.
Just let me do it. Oh, wow. This is actually a lot better than your basic slime. It's fluffy. It's still just a little teensy bit sticky, and B+ on this slime. Okay, since this slime is so sticky, and in slime school we don't have paper towels because we're used to slime being good, we are going to use your slime round number 1, your basic slime, to help us get all of this glue off of our hands. So just give me your slime. Let it drop. Let it ooze off of your hands. Let it ooze off of your hands. Bobby! I will give you a mark. Let it ooze off of your hands. Don't touch it. Let it ooze. Let me do it.
Okay, here's your slime number 1. No, don't touch your slime! It got on me again. Bobby! It's so messed up! Do not touch your slime, okay? Do not touch your slime! Okay, Bobby? I'm giving you 5 marks. Oh, good ones. Good. 5 marks? They're good. 5 marks. I didn't say stars.
Okay, Bobby. Considering the slimes you made, I don't think you deserve to do the bonus round. But since the bonus round is an experiment, I'm really interested to see what's going to happen to this slime. So we are going to do it anyway.
Okay, yeah. Bobby, I need to decide when you are done. Dad, I need to use it. And I'm done enough. Bobby, I'm a teacher. It's a new teacher. Okay. Give me the really good slime I made. The really rock hard slime you made. We can keep all your slimes over here, and then at the very end, we are gonna swirl your slimes like anybody should. For the bonus slime, we're gonna be adding something in this one.
It is aluminum powder. Bobby wants to read it to you guys.
Why would we have aluminum powder?
Okay, I like the way you did that slime. You have 19 marks. So this slime better turn out really good, Bobby. This is the only one I will be grading you on. That will probably turn out decent because I'm helping out a little bit and see what happens. Okay, mix up and see what happens.
Liquefied it.
What do you mean it liquefied?
Liquefied. Turned to liquid. It deactivated.
Let me see. Hey, there's still slime in here.
But it was hard. Now it's super, super liquidy. So a little bit of that wrecks it. No, that'll make it more goopier.
No, it won't. It's activator. I am the slime teacher. I know.
You're a slime teacher. Okay, well, it's still kind of runny. Maybe it needs glue.
Since I'm the teacher, you gotta bring out your notebook and start writing down what I do when slime is liquidy, if you want to get better grades in the future. Bobby!
What me do?
You are so disrespectful. You need to get out your slime book and see and write down what I'm doing when slime is too sticky and you need to reactivate it.
It's starting to smell like fish.
Maybe because there's a fish tank behind you, Bobby?
Maybe. But it smells like cooked fish.
Well, maybe you need to take a shower, Bobby. You are a little stinky, no offense.
No.
Yes, Bob. I am the teacher, Bobby. I am the teacher. You do not talk over me.
I think it's
Bobby!
it's lunchtime. The lunch lady's gonna come knocking on the door any minute.
What are you gonna tell the lunch lady? Oh my gosh. Look what you did, slime teacher. You broke the stirrer thing. Worse than I did. That's like 50 million marks right there.
Well, you're not the teacher, so you don't get to mark me.
Yeah, that means I get to unmark all my marks. That's worth 22 no marks.
No, Bobby.
Yes, I think so.
Fine, I will get rid of 17 of your marks.
See, look. You have to go like this.
Oh. It's getting out of the container. Oh my gosh.
It's okay, Bobby. There's a thing called a table. In the slime, you get a D. No, a C. A C plus.
all
Gotta
different
finish
colors.
mixing it.
Look, it's all different colors.
Colors.
The colors of the rainbow.
I'm gonna give you a C just because.
The colors of the wind. It's gonna turn like a pale purple.
Bobby, I am writing your notes to your mom. Okay? I'll give you, on your entire test today, I will give you a C. That only seems fair. A C minus.
But look, totally stretches.
Let me feel it. Let me
You
feel
could- you could jump
Bobby!
rope.
Bob! It is a pretty good slime, I have to say. Well, Bobby, I may have to change that to a C plus.
Or an A plus.
We're keeping it at a C minus. You do not talk back to the teacher. Okay, so I said I would remove 17. The only problem is that you talked back to me multiple times. So that's worth 5 marks. I will see you in slime detention because you got 5 marks, Bobby.
Yeah, but they messed up because I got 3 pluses, and so, or 3 stars, and so 3 stars minus 5 is 2, and that's not enough to go into detention. Why don't you go get the principal and see what she has to say?
Principal is on the phone with her mom.
Principal / lunch lady.
Principal is not the lunch lady. Bobby, if I take 17 away, that gets me to these 2. Then I take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. I will see you in slime detention later today. Okay, Bobby? Okay, Bobby, I see you're already here in slime detention. I have to say the slime is pretty nice. But today in slime detention, you're going to be playing slime. You got it on your report card, Bobby. Put this in your backpack. Immediately, Bobby. Bobby! That's not in your backpack.
It's Flubber. Oh, the bell just rang.
The bell doesn't dismiss you. I dismiss you.
Okay, well, see ya. Thank
Bobby!
you for dismissing me. What?
You may go. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you for watching this Heroes Adventure video. Hope you liked it.